Hey everyone! Today, we're making a seriously delicious and vibrant side. Fluffy, golden turmeric garlic Orzo Pilaf. This simple recipe is packed with flavor thanks to the aromatic garlic and warm turmeric, plus a couple of secret ingredients that make it extra special. It's easy to make and perfect for any meal. Ready to add some sunshine to your plate? Let's get cooking! Let's get started by prepping about a cup of Spanish or white onion. We'll chop it finely to build that essential aromatic base for our Orzo Pilaf. With 2 tablespoons of cooking oil heated in a large pot over medium-high, it's time to add our chopped onion. We'll saute it for roughly 4 minutes. Keeping with our promise of garlicky dish, now we're mincing 4 cloves of garlic. Add to the pot and give it a stir for about a minute. Let's get our 2 cups of orzo into the pot. We're going to toast it for just about a minute, which adds a lovely depth of flavor to the final dish. Okay, go ahead and pour in 4 cups of low-sodium chicken stock. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which will give our pilaf that beautiful golden color. For an extra punch of flavor, add about 2 tablespoons each of Worcestershire sauce and Maggi sauce. Turn the heat down to low, stir, and now we wait for it to simmer. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 20 minutes or until most of the liquid is evaporated. Then uncover, fluff the orzo with a fork, and season to taste with salt and white pepper according to your taste. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This will give the orzo a wonderful shiny finish. To balance the richness of the orzo and a touch of freshness, stir in 2 cups of baby spinach. Next up, we're slicing about a half a cup of cherry tomatoes and throwing them in for a burst of sweetness. Finally, we'll finish things off with about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley as a garnish. And there you have it, our vibrant and delicious turmeric garlic orzo pilaf. Just taste the fluffy texture and the lovely savory and subtly sweet flavors. It's the perfect side dish to brighten up any meal. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.